This Evolution Power Tools includes a premium Japanese tungsten-carbide-tipped blade with more teeth for a cleaner cut. The extended neck and fence on the increase the cutting capacity and the size of the workpiece that you can cut. The quick release clamp allows not only for a quicker clamping adjustment but also for a more secure workpiece. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Powerful 15A motor. The powerful 15A high-torque motor with optimized gearbox and blade system allows you to cut through up to 1/8 of an inch mild steel. Number 2. 0 to 45 degrees bevel cutting. Achieve up to a 45 degrees finish on your workpiece by loosening the bevel handle and using the clear bevel scale to get the angle required. Number 3. -50 to +50 degrees miter cuts. With a miter cutting capability of 50 degrees. Get the angled finish you require every time by using the base to tense. Number 4. Laser-guided accuracy. Ensure the perfect angle and finish on your next woodworking project with laser-guided precision for assisted straight-line cutting. Number 5. Dust bag included. Keep your work environment clean and safe. Attach the dust bag to catch debris that is fed through the rear dust port. Number 6. Integrated carry handles. This Evolution Power Tools is very portable. The rear carry handle allows you to comfortably pick up and safely transport around the workshop or on site. Number 7. Extended power cable. The 13-feet cable means that you have an extended reach for your saw, nullifying the need for extension cables. Number 8. Mild steel. Achieve ready-to-weld cuts through mild steel, whether that be a sheet, steel tube, an angle iron. Number 9. Wood with nails. Cut through hardwood, softwood, reclaimed timber, even wood with embedded nails. Number 10. Wood plastic composite. Cut through WPC for your latest summer decking project with ease. Achieve a clean cut every time. Number 11. Plastic. Cuts through plastic such as acrylic and drainage tubing cleanly without burning or melting the workpiece. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. What RPM does the blade spin? Answer. About 2,400 RPM off the top of my head. Question number 2. What table or stand works with this saw? Answer. The Evolution miter saw stand would work with this machine. Question number 3. Will it cut 12 inches width? Answer. Here is the max miter cut. 11¾ by 2 inches. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.